can't see your deleted WhatsApp messages on your Android phone? Don't worry, there's a simple way to check them. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. So let's get started. Method 1. Check from notifications bar. If the deleted message was fairly recent, you can simply check it out by dragging down the notifications panel. Like for example, the message was deleted in the last few hours or even a day. You can just swipe down to the notifications panel and check the deleted WhatsApp message. But remember to enable all notifications and permissions for WhatsApp to get this done. Method 2. Check the deleted message from backup. Now, if you have created a chat backup recently and have deleted the message or an entire chat after doing the backup, you can actually get it back. Open WhatsApp, tap the 3-line icon in the top right corner. Tap Settings. Now find Chats and tap on it. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap Chat Backup. Now make sure you have a backup ready from here and check the Google account you have used to back up your chats. After ensuring this, exit WhatsApp and uninstall it. Then go to the Play Store, search WhatsApp and reinstall it from here. After reinstalling it, open WhatsApp and log into your account and simply back up your chats after that. After the backup is done, even the deleted message or the chat will start showing to you. That's how you can check your deleted messages on WhatsApp. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tips.